I just saw a story the other day about this showing up at Nibiru Station. Well, you remember I did a video about a year ago about this object. It looks bigger here. It looks like it's approaching. It looks like it's come a ways since the last video I took. And now they're making, quite a deal about this. The first time they've seen it, blah, blah. All of y'all know that we saw this planet a year ago. I did a video on that, but there's some really interesting videos that I've seen. I think this is going to be the year of Nibiru. This right here. This is Marshall Masters, and this is Bluebonnet, what he's calling Bluebonnet. The blue star Kachina is what he believes this object is. This is his object of interest. This here is the lens flare that he's showing. But this is no lens flare. He's been taking several pictures of this thing. There it is again. And it shows in a few pictures its moon. These are some more pictures, and you can see it through the clouds even shining there. It's quite bright. A lot of people see this and they don't want to see it because this means big trouble. The closer it gets, the more earth changes we're going to see. And we're going to experience these things. But all of us who read the Bible know that these things have to come to pass. This has happened before, and this will happen again. This is all, part of the workings of our universe. But these are some really, really good pictures of Bluebonnet, what he's calling it. These others that I'll show you, they're calling it Nibiru. I don't know for sure what it is, but he believes it's the blue star Kachina, and the red star Kachina is not too far behind. He's saying that we should be able to all see it clearly here in July, August of this year. I mean, you can already see it clearly. And there's some other magnificent pictures. I mean, look at this. It almost looks like you can see the moons. Here in another video, you can absolutely see the moons on it. But these are the best ones that I've found, and there is a lot of them. These are not what we've been seeing. Here's one, here's the moon here, and here's the diagram of blue star Kachina and the moons. And it's going to light up when they're in conjunction with this planet. There's the second one. And he's showing the movement and the rotation of it there. You can barely see it there. Or maybe this is it here. That's not a very good picture of it. There's a lot of stuff in the way. Here's this one here, down here. Quite a lot of clouds on that day. But you can see in conjunction with the planet, the moons, or the prevalent moon here. Now this was a camera that was taken pictures by a volcano, so it was recording the volcano, and it captured this in the background. And here's this and the moon again. I wanted you guys to see it one more time. It's very, very, very neat. Really cool. I mean, what a time we live in. We're going to get to see this thing close. We're going to get to see what people haven't been able to see. Most people that lived on this earth have not been able to see this kind of thing. They have not been able to witness the stuff that we are witnessing. And this is his website here. You can go there and check this out. It's really neat. This is another person that caught a bunch of pictures of this thing, and he's moving down, showing the time it's moving. And it's moving a little bit to the right, and that's what Marshall Masters was showing, that it goes to the right and to the left and up and down as well, like kind of like a corkscrew. You'll see in the demonstration that he gives. It makes a lot of sense when you'll see it. Now these people have seen this thing. This guy here has been videoing this thing for weeks now, for a couple of weeks, and he's seen, the first time he saw it, he thought it was a UFO, but now he knows that it's not a UFO, that it is a planet, and he can go right outside and pick it up. He knows right where it's at, and he goes and films it. This is a compilation of the best of his pictures, and in this one you can clearly see the moons. And for some reason it turns into this looking thing. I don't know what that is, but it's pretty amazing. But some of these cameras that they have nowadays are just unbelievable. Really good. And there it is there, kind of with a fog around it or a fuzz around it or something. I don't know if that's electrical or what. And you can kind of see one of the moons there, it looks like. See the two? There's two of them. That's what he sees when he zooms in, is that this thing it isn't just one object, but it's several. And you'll see that. It's still in the two there. There it's three. See? 1, 2, 3. These are really good pictures. And like I say, he's got several videos of this thing. I mean, more than an hour's worth of footage on different days, and he's going to be watching it, and he's going to be taking pictures. He's in Texas, and both of these shots are the same. I mean, all three of these, this thing is about the same place in the sky that Marshall Masters' bluebonnet is at. There's three. You look at that. Look at that. I mean, that's amazing. And then some puff of mist or something up there. That seems to be going along with these planets, moons, whatever they are. He says he knows they're not UFOs because he's gone out for over a week now and filmed these things. And they follow the same pattern every day. They're right after sun, right there at sundown, right to the right of the sun. Both pictures, the same thing. Look at this. The year of Nibiru, y'all. And we're going to see more and more of these amazing pictures and this amazing footage as time gets further and further approaches. And like I said, it turns into this. It's quite amazing. I don't know what in the world that is. I don't know if it's sun reflection or what, but it's pretty neat. And that's why he thought it was UFOs. Is because it turned into this on him. And I don't know what the deal is with it, but it's pretty amazing. Just unbelievable, this stuff. But it's not fake. This is the second video. This isn't Marshall Masters. This is no, I'm sorry. This is Music Player, 1979. This is the guy here that you just saw his video. This Planet X Nibiru the Rising. Now this is the 100 Sev Gillum. This is the one where he took pictures more and more, you know, it was going down. And this is Marshall Masters' website here. So go there and check these sites out. And like I said, there's many more. And here is our friends down in the South Pole and Numer Station. Just really, really good picture of it this time. It showed itself for a few more frames. And it looks bigger to me. What is this? It ain't the moon. We've shown that it's not the moon. And it ain't the moon here. They know that it's not the moon. They've checked. Because this also showed up on Before It's News. This story did. But pretty neat, huh? What a time we live in. Anyway, I hope everybody's well. And this is that one. Go there and check it out. Anyway, I hope everybody's well. This is Chatty Dad 1. God bless. Good luck to us all. Never give up your guns, because your rights will go right with them. Pray for our country. We need it bad. We need all the help we can get. Love y'all. Y'all take care. This is Chatty Dad 1. Over and out.